Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi Year 8 students. Okay, so for this week we move to this new topic, new chapter, which is functions and graph. So this is in your Year 9 syllabus. Okay, Year 9 syllabus. We are about to finish your Year 8 syllabus already, so we move to Year 9 syllabus. So first, before we move to equation of functions, we need to know how to calculate the gradient. Okay, gradient. So what is a gradient? Gradient is just the indication of your slope, indication of how steep is your line. Okay, so function is just a straight line, something like that. So we want to calculate how steep is your line. So we denote gradient by the letter M. Okay, so we denote gradient by the letter M. So we are going to use this formula in maths as well, and maths IGCSE as well. Okay, so what is the formula of finding gradient? That is just y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. You need to remember the formula because the formula will not be given to you in exam. Okay, so make sure you are well versed with the gradient, the formula of finding gradient. Okay, so according to the gradient here, according to the formula here, means that we need to have two pairs of coordinates. Means I need to have my x1, y1, and then another x2, and then y2. Okay, remember coordinates must be in terms of x and y. I denote xy simply means that is the first x. Y1 simply means that is the first y. Okay, you cannot put x1 y2. Okay, so this is in a wrong form. You need to make sure x1 match with y1, x2 match with y2. Okay, you cannot have x2 y1, that is wrong. Okay, so now x1 here would be y1. Okay, if you have your notebook, please make sure you copy everything here, the example or the exercise, you just do inside your notebook. Okay, so you don't have to tak ada print ke ni. Okay, you don't have to print, you just copy. Make sure the notes is inside your book because we are going to continue with the next subtopic later after the school open. Okay, so I won't redo this chapter again. Okay, so this is one lesson. Okay, so now this is the formula. So let's look at the example straight away. Okay, make sure you know one pair, x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so let's say the question asks you to find the gradient of the line passing through these 2 points. Find the gradient. What is the formula of gradient? Formula of gradient is m equals to y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So I really suggest you, for your exact exercise purposes, please make sure you write down the formula every time you want to find the gradient. Okay, because I want to make sure everybody can remember the formula. Formula will not be given. Okay, you need to remember the formula. Okay, so now let's say I denote this is my x1, so means that my 4 here will be my y1. So that one is x2, y2. Okay, so let's just jangan gerak, Mariam, jangan. Okay, let's just do the formula. Let's just put inside the formula. Y1, that is just 4 minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 1. 9 minus 3. So you solve that, you will get 3 over 6. Okay, make sure in maths you give your answer in the simplest form. So you can still reduce that fraction, right? Divide all, divide both by 3, you will get 1 over 2. Okay, that's how you get the gradient. Make sure every time you reduce your fraction, you need to give your answer in the simplest form. Okay, mark scheme will only accept this answer, not that answer. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay, now second example. You pause the video first, you copy the question. Okay, so now let's do this together. Find the gradient of the line passing through. First question, passing through -1, 2, and 3, -4. Okay, let's do this together. So m equals to y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Okay, so I let that one be y1. Okay, you can label or you don't have to. It's okay. I don't want to label now because just now I label already. So this one I don't want to label. I just make sure I remember inside my mind. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. So y1 means 2 minus 2 minus. Now it's negative 4. Negative 4. Okay, why did I put inside the bracket? Because I know that my negative here will affect my negative 4. The sign in front of your bracket will affect the sign inside the bracket later. Okay? Over x1 minus x2. Negative 1 minus 3. So you solve, you will get 2 plus 4. Why is it plus now? Because negative becomes positive. Okay, remember, okay, that one, negative becomes positive. Over negative 1, negative 3, you will get negative 4. So that is just 6 over negative 4. Can you simplify further? Divide both by 2. You will get 3 over negative 2. Okay, that is your answer. 3 over negative 2. Okay, that is my answer if I let that one be x1, y1, x2, y2. Kan? Okay. So now, what if I want to change that one be x2, y2, this one be x1, y1. Okay, what happened to the equation? Okay, I want to do my workings here. Okay, so now I change. I let my, this is still question 2a. Okay, but I just change the pair now. So I will let my x1, y1. Just now, that is my x1, y1. But now, I want to let that one be x1, y1. I want you guys to see what happened to the answer. Okay? So, 3, negative 4. Okay? Now, my x2, y2 is equals to negative 1, 2. Okay, so just now that one is x1, y1 kan? But now I change x2, y2 equals to that coordinates. Okay, so now still we use the same formula for gradient. M equals to y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Okay, so let's look at the let's just key in inside. So you will get negative 4 minus 2 over 3 minus negative 1. Okay, I put bracket because I know that negative sign will affect my negative value here. So you will get negative 6. How do I get negative 6? Negative 4, negative 2. You owe 4 ringgit. You owe another 2 ringgit. You owe total 6 ringgit. Okay? Over 4. Can you reduce or simplify further? Yes. Divide both by negative, by 2. Sorry. So you will get negative 3 over 2. Same answer? Same or not? Same answer. Okay, so it doesn't matter which one is your x1, y1, as long as you take both number of or the pair, you take the pair to be your first one. So if you let that one be x1, that one must be y1. If you let that one be x2, that one must be y2. Okay? So if you just change pun, you will still get the same answer. Okay, so now I want you to do question B. Find the gradient of B, C and D here. Use that formula. Make sure the formula is inside your notes. Okay, so do for B, C and D. Find the gradient only. Okay, now you find the gradient and I have put my answer here. Okay, so you just pause the video and then check your answer. This is the answer for question B. This is the answer for question C. And that is the answer for question D. Okay, you do on your own first. Check, make sure you get the 3 answers here. If you get a different answer, do text me. Okay, bye.